Time for the mortals to pay.
Release the Kraken!
What up everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Sky. If you're new around here, we are a low budget unbox therapy, pretty much, just better. But we unbox epic random stuff you didn't know you needed. Today I will be opening and reviewing an Artisan Keycap from one of my favorite keycap makers in the world, which is Dwarf Factory. And this is their KRAKEN series keycap, and I can't wait to get to it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Alright, Dwarf Factory, high quality packaging, very nice as expected. And you can see they're produced by Dwarf, created in Planet 945A. Make sure to check out their website and use the code RandomBoxUnbox for a 10% discount if you're interested in any of their keycaps. Look at this, they even sent finger condoms. This is nice.
Bruh.
This was uncomfortable to do. Alright, and let's get to it. I'm so excited for this. Wow, they even sent instructions on how to install them. This is very nice with a QR code as well. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Alright, let's take a closer look at this KRAKEN. And again guys, with Dwarf Factory, you can't go wrong with the quality. I mean, just look at that guy swimming in there. It's very cool. Look at the KRAKEN just releasing smoke from the sides. I really don't know how they pull this off. Very, very nicely detailed. This is so cool. So cool. Just look at everything. Look at the background. This is Dwarf Factory for you. It's just so highly polished, so nice, well done. I mean, this is quality work. I can't imagine how long it takes them to do this. And remember everyone, make sure that you have your Cherry MX stem. And let's put this on the keyboard and see how it looks. And I think it's only fair that I put the Dwarf Factory next to the other Dwarf Factory keycaps that I own. If you haven't seen the review for the Miracle Island, make sure you check those out. Let's put this amazing looking KRAKEN here. And wow, that just looks so nice. I have to say, that just looks so cool. It looks so nice. Alright guys, and this is how the KRAKEN looks with the lights off. So that was it for the KRAKEN Artisan Keycap from Dwarf Factory. There's only so much I can tell you about a keycap when I'm reviewing them, but from Dwarf Factory you're always just going to get this quality work. So much detail goes into making those keycaps. They really take it seriously and they put a lot into their craft. If you don't own an Artisan by now, make sure to check them out. Check out their website, their Instagram. Also, if you're interested in purchasing any group buys at the moment or anytime during the year, feel free to use that random box unbox discount code for 10%. And remember, many of these keycaps that I showcase here, you may not be able to get anymore because once that group buy is over, it's over and they don't make them again. But make sure to be on the lookout to see what's coming next. They keep on coming with better keycaps every time. Other than that, if you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And remember everyone, be kind to one another.